Okay, so guys, let's get started. I think we are already on time. So today I'm just going to give you a small recap. Uh, so we are going to see how you can actually develop your Facebook page. So for example, you can simply, if this is your Facebook page, simply by logging in, okay. So this will actually give you an access to your Facebook page. And the moment you actually check your Facebook page, you wanted to actually run some ads. In fact, yesterday we have discussed, see, these are sponsored ads. Like how we have ran yesterday some kind of videos and lead generation or traffic related. So here they are trying to generate more traffic and create awareness for their new products, or if it is already an existing product, it is also giving you lead forms where they are trying to actually drive traffic to their new product. So this is how people are actually sending it, and these are all called as display ads. When I'm actually checking my Facebook page, wherever I'm going, these ads are following me. So you can see that I'll keep getting some kind of an ad here, there, somewhere or the other. So that is what is called as Facebook ad. And how to actually run those ads we have discussed. See, it's more or less the same for every different concept. If it's a video ad, you will insert the video, or maybe you'll put an image like this and you will simply insert the video link. So more or less it is the same. So today we are going to learn about how to create a Facebook page. By going here, there is a page option. So when you click on page, here it is asking you, give the page information. What is the title of the page? Which category does it belong to? Is it like business? Is it educational? So what is it that you want to do? And then you need to give some description about the page. And once you fill these forms, you can simply add a banner here. For example, we have learned in Canva how to create banners, or you can go to Google Images and simply download, or you can use images from Canva also, and you can simply click on this and you can upload the images. And similarly here also you can give a category for your page. So basically this is how you basically create a normal page. And then once you are ready with your page, then you can hit create post, and you will be able to start creating your content once your page is actually approved. So that is how you create. So I just wanted to show you one recently created page of mine. So I very recently started creating, you can click here to check your pages. So here are my 3 pages. I am using currently 3 pages. Recently, when I started my career in digital marketing, I created this freshers jobs at Kukatpally when I joined a company near Kukatpally. But I wanted to make it a pan-India level because I started getting more responsibilities and started contributing to more numbers. So then what did I did? I actually selected a page by name Jobs for Freshers in India. I could have selected freshers jobs in India. So why did not select freshers jobs in India, and why did I select jobs for freshers in India? There is a tool called as Uber Suggest, and here when you click keyword ideas, you can search for keyword ideas by inputting here. So here you go here, jobs for freshers in India. Okay, if I type this and mention the keyword as English and India, and then I click search, then this Neil Patel is one of the top digital marketers, and he has learned digital marketing end to end. So here you can see already 1600 people are searching for this particular keyword, jobs for freshers in India. And the SEO difficulty is also, it's easy, it's not tough. And if you are looking at cost per click, if I need to do any bidding in future, it is approximately around 5.66 rupees per click. That means if I'm running ads and I'm running not low cost campaign, but I'm running cost per click, then probably it would be costing me somewhere around 5.66 rupees per click. So this is how it is actually coming. And the next important thing is, if you go down, it is going to show you the trend for the last 1 year. And this is the beauty about this Neil Patel's Uber Suggest tool. So now if you can clearly see that jobs for freshers in India is giving me approximately 1600 search volume, and you see jobs for freshers in India I'm getting 1600. If I use another keyword, jobs for Indian freshers in Canada, I don't want to do that because my target market is not Canada. My target market is India. So these are all the keywords that people are searching, and this is the amount of volume that are already searching on Google on a day-to-day basis, and this is a volume in the last 1 month or whatever it is. So they're getting this much of volume already, which is ready-made. That means whenever people use jobs for freshers in India, I can reach out to 1600 people. I'm not using Canada, though the volume is more, because my objective is not in Canadian market. Now when I go down, you all can check it that if I want to check for freshers jobs in India, so when we are actually clicking freshers jobs in India, it will again give you some suggestions. It will again give you, it's only 1300 volume. So ideally freshers jobs in India is giving me only 1300 search volume. However, jobs for freshers in India is giving me 1600. Hence, and the cost per click is also very high. So this is basically a tool. It is called as Uber Suggest. And Uber Suggest is actually by Neil Patel. He is one of the top digital marketers, and he has done a lot of research on keywords, and he is helping new digital marketers like you and me as to understand which keyword will better suggest. And according to the suggestions, probably you can go ahead and select your Facebook page name. So that is how I have selected this Facebook page name, Jobs for Freshers in India. So when you're clicking here, you can just see this is how you have an option to edit it. Once you share your details, your page will be approved. Once your page is approved, then you can do all the modifications by adding or editing your banner. Then you can just ensure that you enter everything. I will show you on a live page which is already existing, which has already been there for the last more than close to 2 years. That is freshers jobs in Kukatpalli, as to how this page I use it and how does it help me. Okay, so that is more important, because when you see live now, you will understand the importance of it. Now I'm going to see, it gives a clearly that it's a 5-star rated. These both are not 5-star rated, because here it's a recruiter profile. That means we have created this for hiring people. In case you are a marketer, you can mention it as a publisher. You want to publish products of Amazon, Flipkart. You join as an affiliate in all the social media e-commerce websites and start promoting them on Facebook pages. And then probably you can say it's a business website or something like that. So mine is basically for education. So I have actually selected this for education. And now I'm going to take you to the details. This is freshers jobs at Kukatpalli. I mentioned jobs and Hyderabad, and this is a recruiter profile. You can probably edit and give your WhatsApp number here by clicking here, and you can test the button or you can delete the button. That means people can connect you through your WhatsApp number if you are giving your details here. Now, when you go down, you can simply see the statistics, the insights. Last 28 days, there are 661 people who were targeted through my posts, and the post engagements. That means these people might have forwarded my post or shared my post with 51 people. So there are close to 1600 people, and out of 1600 people, 600 odd people are watching my posts in the last 28 days. And out of that, there are like post engagement. That means these people might have shared this post with 51 odd people, and I got 17 page likes in the last 28 days. So this gives you some real-time statistics. That means as a recruiter, if you have a page without doing any promotions, just like how you post on Facebook, I am posting on Facebook page. Now when people are coming to the company, they're attending interview, they're getting selected, they know it's a genuine company and it's not a consultancy. They themselves started referring to their friends. And when they started referring to their friends, that is how through word of mouth publicity, I was able to manage and get close to 1600 odd connections. Now, when you go further down and you want to drill it down, I have posted some 255 jobs related posts, and there are 21 new messages and 21 new comments which are still yet to be reviewed or read by me. Okay, so the simple thing is, whenever you are posting anything, you are giving your address. Like basically it is in Hyderabad, you give the pin code, and here I'm given my personality development interview tips link, and here I've given my WhatsApp contact number, and it also shows that currently it is closed. 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. is the working hours. Anytime after 5 p.m. it is a closed. In case if you are actually running a website on your own, this thing, here you have an option. You can probably go, you can edit it, you can edit the page, and simply by clicking the edit, you can actually change these details. Okay, so that is how you do. Now you also get the details as to when this page got created. Like I created this on October 6, 2018. That means we are in August, so September, October, 2 more months for this page to complete its 2 years. So by clicking create post, you can post something. So here I have actually posted something, and the best part is, in your Facebook account, you don't know any analytics. You don't know how many people are being reached by your post. But here, since it is a Facebook page and a business account, here you get the statistics. This post was just posted, I think 2 days ago. And if you look at, it was posted on August 20th, 9:52 p.m. after I completed the class. And if you look at it, it reached 64 people. Okay, so this gives you the statistics. So here I have written something about some digital marketing webinar which I did recently. It reached 103 people and 1 engagement. That means 1 person might have shared it. Now you can see an option here, like how I actually simply forwarded it, and I did not require any kind of images. Automatically it will pick up the main image from here. This image will automatically be selected, and that becomes a brand for me. So here I can also put my picture if I want, but I thought since it's a call center related, let me put the picture of call center people. So this is one way where you can become popular and create an identity for yourself, and you can become popular on social media, or you can become an influencer by creating your own page. So now if you look at this, you have something called as a boost job. So whenever you actually select this boost job, that means you will be charged money for the postings, and this job will be active for almost 30 days. So whenever you are posting any jobs, that particular job will be active for 30 days. In case if you are done with the requirement, you can simply say close the job. So when you say close the job, it will stop collecting applications. Now I'll tell you the beauty of it. Whatever postings I have done on Facebook till date, okay, all these job postings will have the details of the job and also the description. That means people can see who should apply. So this job is for people who can speak Gujarati, Hindi and English, and who are willing to work in call center. So I'm giving complete specifications of what am I expecting in the particular uh, interview from the candidate. So accordingly, the like-minded people staying in and around Kukatpalli will come. So it gives you a clear picture. Each job is live for 30 days and it's a free of cost. Imagine I need to run a banner or something. They charge me like 20,000, 10,000. You need to run a small post on Enadu or, Times Jobs or something, that, hey, I have done something like this. They will charge you 5,000 to 10,000 rupees. Imagine Facebook is reaching out to people and giving you analytics, reports, and it is giving you everything for free. How great it is. So you just imagine for yourself. So recently I've joined Amazon Flipkart, affiliate, and I have actually mentioned something. Hi guys, click below on the image and unlock the offers before the stock exhausts. Amazon Prime Day sale is about to come, and I've given something. So here I've given the link. So when somebody clicks on it, it will take them to the Amazon thing. So 120 people got reached. So it was posted on August 5th. That is this month, some 20 days ago. So in 20 days, I was able to reach 200 people for free. But if I'm able to boost it, if I'm able to boost anything, boost a job or something like this, then automatically it will reach larger group of audience. And when you say boost job, it will also give you an option to select the audience. Are you selecting audience from India? Are you selecting audience from abroad, US, Australia? Which is your target market? I have shown you on yesterday on the lead generation. Similarly, it will give you all the leads. So here, this particular post has collected 22 job applications for me. And this particular job has, now there are so many things. Now, how will I identify and how will I reach and contact these people? So this is a job which is for a supervisor role. Now I have to realize from the mistake. When I said supervisor, everybody working in retail stores, showrooms, they're working in wherever, everybody who's a supervisor, they applied. But I should have probably mentioned supervisor for a call center, or maybe team leader for a call center. Then I wouldn't have received 184 applications, because only right people will come. Though in the job I have mentioned it is team lead for contact center, everything. Since I mentioned the title as supervisor, lot of people who are not from call center background also started applying, because lot of people lost their jobs during COVID, and now for filtering 184 CVs will take me a long time. So these people might have shared or whatever it is, and finally it is coming. So these are some examples of how you are actually posting. And see, sometimes I'm sharing our webinars also here. So why am I, there are like almost 138 people who are reached, and they have 5 engagements and 5 people have shared. So why am I doing this? Because it is important that you have to keep your audience engaged. When you have audience of 1,000 or 1,500 people, and you just create a page, you have some audience and you leave it, you don't engage with it, then why will people even look at your postings? So in order to ensure they're all active, you need to ensure that you need to post some stuff for them. You can design using Canva some banners, and you can put your pictures and all. And probably this is something which my company did it, we didn't do it using Canva. So basically, you can use all these things, you can boost it, you can put whatever you want, and you know, this is how your this thing will help. So this was the ad which I was referring to. This ad costed me 33 odd rupees from the free credit that was given by Facebook. I mentioned hi Bangaloreans, and I've written about Bangalore requirement. My Facebook page is Freshers Jobs in Kukatpalli. Since I keep posting so much stuff and I have a 5-star rating to my account, Facebook immediately ran the ad, because I put the date as today's date with immediate posting. I did not put the date as tomorrow or day after. So with 33 rupees, I was able to get 89 people who are interested in this. Don't you think that's a beauty? However, after few hours, Facebook has discontinued this ad and said that this ad is no longer active because you have violated the Facebook policy. Your page says Freshers Jobs in Hyderabad. You are posting for Bangalore, which is inappropriate. So please delete your posting. So I had to stop. Anyway, Facebook had stopped it. It did not approve it. So that got disconnected. So this is just an FYI for all of you. And you have to understand, when you're posting something now, these are called as emojis. The tick symbol you see now, these are emojis. Whenever you put something like this, it will grab the attention of the people. This is one of the important parts of content writing. So how do you get emojis? You can simply go here and you can see emojis, tick, free to use for Facebook. Once you click it, here you have this tick mark emojis. So probably you can select copy, and when you paste this on your Facebook, any post that you want to do, automatically it will allow you. See, for example, I want to do a post here. I want to do some posting here simply. Or maybe let me just take you to this thing, wait. So any content that you want to write, see, for example, you want to just go to your home page or something, it's taking time. Okay, here is what is there on your mind. So I want to write something, Control V. The emoji will automatically come. So the benefits of affiliate marketing are: point number 1, enter. Point number 2, enter. Point number 3, enter. So this way, if you are doing a Facebook posting, then your audience will be more connected to your content. So rather than just writing, it is always advisable that you use emojis. It is called as emoji. So it's a content writing trick. And then you go back to your Facebook page where we left. I'm going to show you the beauty of this page now. Just keep watching, guys. Now I have 255 people who applied for jobs. For team manager who applied, for this one who applied. Now I can actually create a new job and post it, or what I can do is I can probably select something. You can go to the notifications to be more precise. You can get into each one of them individually by clicking here, or go to the notifications. So here, these are all the applications you received. And if you want to actually check it out, you can simply select one. And now this is the profile of Mr. Raju. And if you want the contact number, by clicking here, you will simply receive his phone number, his contact details, his personal details. You can download his resume. I don't need to have a separate database. I don't need to give my email ID for them. Share your resume. I can save space on my system. And this is what very few recruiters know. If you are planning to do an MBA in HR and want to get into recruitments, this way you can make your recruitment very easy just by sitting at home, posting ads, and when people create a database, I will use this database and give them an option, and when they get selected, they will like my page and it gets highlighted. So similarly, now I want to do a filter. I can filter basis the job title I posted. Is it a team manager? Is it for sales profile? Is it for quality analyst? If am I hiring for somebody for a quality analyst role? Am I hiring for a supervisor role? Am I hiring for an instructional designer role? So huge opening for call center. I can select any job title. So accordingly, those things only will be filtered. You see, 880 became 13 because I only posted maybe one or two things. So here, if I need to go back, I can again select job post team manager, or maybe you can take supervisor. Overall, I have 880 applications. It became 184. That means not everybody will share their resumes, but there are 880 people sharing their resumes in the past 1.5 to 2 years. That talks about the credibility of this page. People are willing to share their information. And the best part is you can change it, whether contacted, interview scheduled, interviewed, hired, rejected. And this will give you an analysis. You can also select them on the basis of status, whether contacted, interview scheduled, hired. So it is giving you flexibility of filters. Using these filters, you can sort them basis the recently received resumes. Date, based on date, and newest first. Now, I will just remove this filter. Total, we all know 880 applications are there. Out of this 880, how many are unread applications? 100 applications are around 562, because during the COVID time, okay, there was a lockdown and we were not working, but still my page was working. Don't you think that's the beauty of it? Now when I get back to work and I need to hire for all these kind of positions, I can use these 100 applications, and the moment it is a red application, I click on any of them, 562 will get reduced. When you actually open any of them, and when you check it, when you check their profile, when I say copy phone number, then you just go there when you have actually opened something, and this will again get reduced after some time. Once you are done, once you change the status, whether contacted or interviewed, I don't want to do that right now because maybe I need to review this profile, because we have openings for quality analysts. So I need to review the profile, I need to talk to them, and then if they're shortlisted, then accordingly I'll do it. So basically, that is exactly the power of Facebook advertising. So you can use these notifications, and this will give you the complete picture of the person, the contact number. You can download their profile, and you can select the status as contacted, rejected, hired, and classify the data. You will see when you received, and you also get an analysis as to what did this person do. Worked as an in charge, You have to check all the equipments. That is a packaging company. That means he will not be suitable for a BPO. So I can simply go ahead and simply say that this profile is rejected because this profile is not relevant to what I'm looking for. I'm looking for somebody from a call center quality background, and he's from Mehboob Nagar, not even from Hyderabad. So this is how you actually filter your data. Now imagine you are selling bank related products and you are a banker. Now you are selling credit cards, home loans, personal loans, etc. Create one post for each. And your data of customers is classified, and it is so very easy for you to reach out to them without any difficulty. And whenever you click a boost job, then it will ask you, just look at this, how much money you want, what is the duration. We did this yesterday. How many people can be reached, how many conversions you can get. Again guys, I want to reiterate, if you haven't run any ads, okay, then Facebook will not give you this analysis. It will give you a rough estimate as to how your ad will look. Okay, this is how the ad will look like, and approximately it will give you, though it says 51 conversions. Conversion means when people will come and give their application with you, resume with you. Now in case people come onto your this thing and don't share their application, that is also considered as conversion, because Facebook is only giving you the data. Facebook is only giving you the data of people whom it will show the ad, but whether they'll give their details or not, it is up to them. Say for example, you are a very famous popular personality and you are actually running this ad, then it is very likely that people will share their details with you. But if you are somebody who's complete fresher in the digital marketing, now you are running ad, Facebook algorithm based on artificial intelligence will say people who run these ads approximately got this much to this much conversions. This much to this much people out of this much people were shown on your lead form. Now those people have submitted their application. It is not guaranteed that you will also get, because if you are targeting America and your job posting is in India, then maybe nobody will submit the application, right? So these are all mere assumptions only. So these assumptions can go right, can go wrong. But what happens when you keep using Facebook continuously? You become an experienced, and Facebook will start pulling out data from your past posts, past audience database, and give you the exact approximate results. So this will become more accurate results for you because Facebook started studying your ads. So initially when you go with it, it will not give you the desired result, but gradually looking at the statistics and analysis, then Facebook will start giving you more accurate and appropriate results. So here, if I need to reach out and get 148 conversions, 51 to 148, I need to go ahead and spend some 22,272. So you reduce it, it will be reduced. See, because I don't want to show my ad to entire Hyderabad. I don't think somebody from outskirts of Hyderabad will travel and come to Kukatpalli and work in my office. So I will probably restrict the audience here to only Kukatpalli. The location, see, the people reached is almost zero because hardly I've selected anything. So what do you select? Similarly, all these things, your budget, everything can be reduced. If you're reducing your budget, your reach will also be reduced, and your location has to be selected. Simply you can select the location as in Hyderabad, specifically Kukatpalli or something like that. So that this is how I was just telling you that here your card details are already there. So in case if you go ahead, share the location and then you boost it, it will get boosted. Just to show you, Kukatpalli, Telangana. Okay, so it's asking me to select Hyderabad only. So see what happens when you're selling any e-commerce project now. e-commerce products and all, then probably you can actually target it. See, but the best part is having a Facebook page, you can also have traffic, you can have customers, and then you can run ads for free also. You do not pay any money or anything. You can simply select everything and you can actually run this as a sponsored ad. So this is just a basic understanding that I wanted to tell you, that this is how you can boost the post. I don't want to boost it, so because we have seen already traffic and this ad, so simply you can just go do some small corrections, your image, your timing and all, you can set it. When do you want to run the ad? All those details when you give it, you select the audience. You cannot discriminate them on age because this is a job posting. If it is not a job posting, then probably you can discriminate them on age and all, if you're selling products and all, depending on your target audience. So these are the basic things that I wanted to tell you. And the last important thing that I wanted to show you today is, guys, you can automate your page. What do I mean by automation? Just keep watching. I'm using my mobile phone. Okay, I'm using my personal Patnaik Funny Kiran account, and I'm going to chat with this business page, Freshers Jobs at Kukatpally. And you will see the chat here, the live chat, automated chat. If I'm sleeping, how does my chatbot work? Just watch this. I'm just going to do that right away. Just a minute. And this chatbot is something that I'm going to explain to you. Okay, just see, I'm going to say a hi to it. That's it. You can see the chat. I have just used my mobile and I just, the Facebook app that is installed, I just said hi. You all can try it. You can open Freshers Jobs at Kukatpally, Hyderabad. Just say a hi on your WhatsApp Messenger or Facebook Messenger. Then it will automatically give you, hey, first name, welcome to Freshers Jobs at Kukatpally, Hyderabad. Hope you're doing great and we are excited to guide you through our interview process. Are you ready to know more about us or looking for a job opportunity with us? Yes, I am. No, thank you. In case you mention no, thank you, then it is going to reply, thank you, you have a great day. But if I say yes, I am, then it is going to automatically take you and give you the basic information. We hire candidates for our BPO division or a call center and look for candidates who have qualified inter, above and are above 18 years of age. So kindly let us know if you are interested to know more about the questions that will be asked in our interviews before applying to us, so that you can prepare and then apply. So when candidates will prepare and then apply, there are more likely chances that they will get selected. So when people click interested, I'm promoting my website. Please go through the sample questions in the link below. Kindly open the below link in a new tab. And when you say right click, open it in a new tab. This is how you can just right click and open it in a new tab. It will take you to my Freshers Jobs in Kukatpally page. So this interview tips page will be taken you. So there are the questions here and you people can go through the questions. And once you are done, please click below. And once you say it's done, then it is automatically interacting with you. Kindly share your name and mobile number and my team will contact you in 48 hours. And subscribe to my Freshers Jobs at Kukatpally, Hyderabad, to receive job updates. Since a lot of people are finding unemployment as a greatest bane nowadays, what they are doing, they are actually subscribing, and I try my level best to help them wherever it is. See, I cannot help all the 1,000 or 1,500 people who join this network, but whomever I'm able to help, I'm trying my level best to help. And whatever little I can, yes, we can. As recruiters, we face lot of controversies where people say they will call us, they will do the interviews, but they will not give feedback on time and all. I am trying my bit to ensure that it is a systematic process. Rather than calling people to office and rejecting them and sending them back, I'm asking them to prepare and attend my interview, and then the chances of you getting selected will be multiplied. So don't you think this is a beauty? This is called as automation on Facebook. And this is what I'm going to take a class maybe on Monday for you all. How did I do it? how did I run this automation. And next week we are going to complete affiliate marketing. And with that, I think we should be ending our session. Google Ads is similar to Facebook Ads. So I will probably run you through the PPTs that I have on Google Ads as well, so that you will understand similar kind of audience selection and all. How is Google Ads different from Facebook Ads is one thing that I'm going to cover in the upcoming week. Max, by end of next week, you will be considered as digital marketers. People who have attended all my sessions till date, trust me, you have abundant of knowledge, and if you put it into practice, jobs will knock your door like anything. And that confidence, you all should have it. So basically, this is what I automated my Facebook page for, in terms of gathering information, increasing subscriptions, and driving people on my interview tips personality development page. So with this, I would like to end my session for today. And if you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer them. So my Monday's class is going to be on this automation on Facebook. So we have covered Facebook almost for this whole week. See, what is happening is lead generation is one most important thing that people use. And the other one is traffic, awareness, consideration. And the third one is conversions. Conversions is somebody who have products to sell on e-commerce who do it. However, I don't sell any products, so I have never used it. But conversions is similarly running the same audience, selecting the audience, collecting the data from lead forms, and for these people sending out email marketing and registering a sale. And when a person does a sale, he is taken to the thank you for page, thank you for the purchase. That is considered as one conversion. So whenever a person comes to your website, performs the intended action, that means he's converted into a customer. Hence, we are calling it as a conversion and we track it. So that is about conversion. So thanks a lot for your time, guys. Any questions you can ask me, else we can disconnect. We have just 1 minute left. Any questions, guys? Any challenges, any questions? So in case if you don't have any questions, hope you are all with me and you're understanding, right? All of you are able to understand easily?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful, wonderful. I hope everybody should become a great digital marketer one day and start running your ads and start earning money from home. Okay? All the best, guys. Then wish you all good night and take care. See you on Monday. Tomorrow and day after is a holiday, Saturday, Sunday. So we'll catch up again on Monday. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.